I actually picked up a little dog. He's met another dog as well who comes into site. So it's really nice to see how inclusive the project has been in allowing me to bring my dog into work. My name is Robjant. I am PM on Tideway. I did really enjoy and have really enjoyed working at Barn Elms. You don't think you're in central London at all because you've got a river next to green fields and hedges, and you just get people rowing up the river, which, people enjoying the river. The engineering at Barn Elms is there to try and stop CSO flows into Beverley Brook and transfer those into the super sewer in the river. Once we were able to start down at the CSO, we then started with our shaft. We had some challenges there because of the ground conditions. We completed that works. We then started to create a connection tunnel, so connecting the site to the main tunnel in the river. Sort of the same time, we started to build some of the underground structures. Some chambers, concrete chambers. We then started to install some of the mechanical and electrical equipment. Halfway through that, we then started off finishing off the landscaping. So we created a more permanent road that came down to the CSO site, regrassed a lot of the areas that we had taken over to build our site. Recently, we had a community event at Barn Elms where we brought along, I think, 2 or 3 school kids classes. They interacted with our new bug hotel and also the artist who created the facade on the front of the kiosk. And they were really interested in what the bug hotel does, how it interacts, looking to try and find some bugs in there, but also understanding a little bit of what the artist created and how he created it, and they asked questions around it. My favourite thing at Barn Elms is the relationships with everyone on site. Working with a lot of people who are really like-minded, always want to get the job done, has been really a pleasure. I'm really proud of what I've been able to deliver, how I've grown myself. I was on the track initially of sort of looking at going into finance, but I think I realised I wanted to actually have some sort of legacy, hence why it's changed into civil engineering, where you're building something where I will be able to take future friends and family too and show that this is what I built and be really proud of what I've built, and the legacy is brilliant.